guys, sorry for missing for a longer periods. I was just busy with finding the job hunting, and I was quite busy with some take-home tests and some of the interviews. Alright, anyways, here's I am. I'm back with my same situation. As you guys can see, here it's showing that 0 days may have not doing the Leetcode for a longer period of time. Okay, let's solve today's Leetcode question together in Swift. So today's question is find the decay character in the string game. And so Alice and bots are playing the game. Initially, Alice have a string what's a, so we can regard that. So the initial value will be the a, and then we will be given a positive integers, and then so bot and we ask the Alice to perform the following operation forever. Like generate the new string by changing the each character in the words to the next character in English alphabet and append to its original words. So okay, let's see some of the asymmetry. Okay, let's try to break down and understand a little bit. So let's say if we receive the character like A. Okay, nice. My drawing suck. A, B, C. Here you go. Okay, nice. Okay. Okay. Right. So we're given an A. Okay, so the next character of the A will be B. So we can assume like that. So that is one approach what we can do. So next, what if the next character of the B? So it definitely will be C. So it's something like that. But one thing we need to notice is if the character is a Z, we need to change to the A in operation. So that is one thing we need to consider if we have reached to the end of the A. So we can also see the constraint. The number of the constraint could be from the 1 to the region of the 500 or in the positive integers. Okay, let's try to break down the HTML1 piece by piece. So for instance, we are having a character in here. So let's say, so 5, what we need to do is we are initially receiving a value like A. So next character is a B. So we're gonna append. What will happen? It will happen, next character will be AB. So what is the next character of the AB? Quite simple, it will be BC. Then we're gonna append AB and BC. It will be like that. And then what will be the next character of the AB BC? It will be BCCD. Okay, I will try to small it a little bit for you guys to be able to read. And then there's the next character could have a BCCD next character. So we need to append it. So A, B, B, C, B, C, C, D. So in that case, we can see like the input is already exceed what we want to achieve according to the input K. So in here, after we can count like the fifth character that is not counting from the index 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That will be C. So it will be B in here. Okay, I think it's the index from the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, my bad. It's B. Okay, let's go furthermore about the asymmetry 2. What about the K is 10? How many characters we have? A. Then we need to increase to be B, C, C, D, C, B, B, E. Right? So next of the A is B, B next is C, C next is D, B next is C, C next is B, D next is E. We can append this value over here by concatenation with this one. So the 10 character, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's C. I hope that will clear up everything for you guys. I think to do like this, we're gonna need to convert the character into the Unicode Scala, and then using the ASCII. If you guys don't know about ASCII, ASCII means the American Standard Code for Information Interchange. If you guys want to check in here, so the character A value of the Unicode Scala is the 97. So we can try to play within that range. So one thing we need to think about is that if the character reach to the Z, we need to change to the A operation. Okay, let's start trying to code it. So let's consider we have initial character. What is a string? Okay, we don't need a string actually. Just mention like A. So we're gonna need a while loop. So I iterate through all the characters throughout the what's dot count is greater than K. So as long as the what count is less than K, so it's good to go. So what do we need? We need the iterate through the character in the what's. So in here, let's me extract the optional value from here. So if let ASCII values will be the character dot value. So if it's like that, what can we do? Okay, let's create like next character. Do character. Okay, let's make it simple. Let's call it like string. We're converting from the Unicode Scala of the ASCII value plus 1. So that is our next character. We're gonna need a one variable here to keep track of our next value. Let's call it next. And then what do? We will append it. After that, after all the for loop, we will update the what's with the next. I hope. I think we can only return the what's in here. Okay. What's of K minus 1. Let's try to run it through. Okay, let's try to submit it. Okay, I think in here we missing some of the condition checking. We need to check. Yeah, we need to check like how to say if the character is equal to Z, that means like it's end of the A to Z, and we will return the A. If not, we will convert into Unicode Scala and convert to string. In here, I think we also can tune the performance if we want to. Since using the array is here, we're using the copy of the array, which is using the extra memory. What we can do is what's dot index. No, what dot index. Index. There's one function called offset by in string, which is an expression. We can just do it. Let's try it. All right, I think that's all for it. Thank you guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.